Bad! Nobody comes between a lady and her wedding ring. If Is it there? You're just not pulling hard enough. It's taken care of. We need to find that ring before the missus house. Okay, if we're gonna get that ring, we're gonna need somebody. Use worry. Tom here will pull you out the second you find the ring.
I need to feed Thomas. It'll only take a minute. Thomas, time for Din-Din. Bowl out last night. In there forever. The movie starts in 20 minutes.
Fine, I'll...
Oh, forget it. I'm fine feeling naked. Let's just go.
Find that ring. There it goes! Let me show you how it's done. Well, we tried. Hold. There! This is all your fault. We'll never get out of here. Never mind them. Don't suppose. Bars of steel. We did it, boys.
They don't have a care in the world. All they do is lay around doing...